Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some boneless beef ribs in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. What I have here is a beef chuck roast. I bought two in this pack, a mega pack. Found these at Safeway for $4.99 a pound. So I got these two big beef chuck roasts. I already cooked one of them to try this out. But these two big beef chuck roasts for $30. So get this out of the package here. Alright, so now these have a lot of fat in them, as you can see. So they turn out good, slow cooked in the crock pot. So what you do with these is just cut them. What I do is just cut them in about 1 inch or so strips so that they're like, you know, kind of look like ribs. You see these pre-cut sometimes in the stores like this. You can buy them sliced up like this. You see it more with pork, I think, than you do with beef. They'll call them country style ribs. So like I said, all you do is just cut it into, you know, rib size pieces like that, and then I will just season each piece up. I'm going to use kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper on them, and then just put them right in the slow cooker in the crock pot like this. And I think I can cook this on high because there's so much fat in it, it's not going to dry out, so it'll work good that way. Meats with higher amount of fat like this turn out good in the slow cooker. Leaner meats tend to get more dry, but fattier meats like this will turn out good. Now what I'm going to do is just season each piece with some kosher salt. It doesn't come out too good because it's raining, so it gets all clumpy. But anyway, there we go. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. A lot of fat on that piece. But anyway, I'm just do each piece like that and put it in the slow cooker. Dry slow cooker. I'm not adding any liquid. It's just a dry slow cooker. Okay, that's all seasoned up. I didn't add any liquid to the pot. The only thing I'm going to add is sprinkle on a little Worcestershire sauce. Gives it, it's good on beef, gives it some extra flavor, kind of a tangy flavor, which I like. So just kind of sprinkle a little of that over the top of it there. Alright. And we'll get the lid on. I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long that takes. But you could cook it all day on low as well. It's been 4.5 hours. Let's see how these look. I'm sure they're cooked. I just want to see if they're very tender yet. Yeah, it looks like they're getting fairly tender. But remember, I didn't put any liquid in there. See how much liquid that made while it cooked? I mean, it's like there's like 1 inch of liquid in the bottom of that now. All the fat that cooked out of it. Alright, let's see how this came out. Almost looks like pieces of short ribs, only this is all meat. Short ribs don't have a whole lot of meat on them. I also cooked some potatoes in my toaster oven to go with it. So, you can see this meat just kind of flakes right apart here. So, looks good. Just cut it with a fork. So, let's try a bite here. It came out good. It has good flavor. It's moist. It's tender. And another thing you can do, if you like barbecue sauce, you could brush barbecue sauce on them and put them in your oven under the broiler for a few minutes just to, you know, caramelize the sauce. I guess we better see what Annie thinks. Looks a little excited there, Annie. There you go. Geez, you didn't even chew it. Inhaled. So to me, that's more worthwhile than cooking short ribs. At least you get some meat for your money. And anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.